This script is designed specifically for a high-retention 30-minute deep dive. It uses the curiosity gap and future-proofing hooks to keep a US-based audience engaged. It is written in a fluid, conversational, and slightly dramatic tone perfect for a faceless YouTube channel. The action camera world has been holding its breath for years, and the wait is finally reaching a breaking point. We aren't just talking about another yearly refresh or a minor bump in resolution. We are talking about the ghost in the GoPro lineup, the mythical GoPro Max 2. For over half a decade, the original GoPro Max has sat on the throne of 360-degree video, but the throne is starting to creak. Competition is closing in from every angle, and the rumors emerging from the depths of GoPro's R&D labs suggest that the Max 2 isn't just a successor. It is a total reclamation of the throne. If you've been thinking about buying a 360 camera today, you need to stop. You need to listen. Because what is coming next will make everything currently on the market look like a toy from the past. Why has it taken so long? That is the question everyone in the industry is asking. Some say GoPro was waiting for the technology to catch up to their vision. Others whisper that the Max 2 was scrapped and rebuilt from the ground up 3 different times. But one thing is certain: GoPro cannot afford to miss. The USA market is flooded with creators who demand 8K spherical resolution, invisible stitching, and low-light performance that actually works. The original Max was a pioneer, but it had its flaws: the soft footage in the shadows, the cumbersome workflow, and the lack of true high frame rate options. The Max 2 is rumored to be the answer to every single complaint ever logged on a community forum. Imagine a world where you don't have to point the camera. You just hit record, jump out of the plane, or shred down the mountain. And you capture every single angle in a resolution so sharp you can crop into any frame, and it looks like it was shot on a dedicated flagship action cam. We are talking about the leap to 8K. This isn't just a marketing number. 8K in a 360-degree space is the holy grail. It's the difference between a blurry memory and a professional-grade cinematic shot. The rumors suggest a brand new sensor architecture, potentially utilizing the GP3 processor, a chip specifically designed to handle the massive data throughput required to stitch 2 high-resolution streams in real time without the camera melting in your hand. But resolution is only half the story. The real magic of the Max 2 lies in the invisibility. GoPro has reportedly mastered a new optical design that makes the stitch line, that annoying seam where the 2 lenses meet, virtually non-existent. No more ghosting, no more weird warping on your face when you're holding the selfie stick. It's going to look like a floating drone is following you at all times. And speaking of following, the AI tracking is being overhauled. The new software won't just track a person, it will understand the geometry of the scene. It will know where the action is before it even happens, allowing for auto reframing that looks like it was edited by a Hollywood professional. Now, let's talk about the one thing that kills action footage: low light. 360 cameras have historically been terrible as soon as the sun goes down. Small sensors and dual lenses mean less light hitting the glass. But the Max 2 is rumored to feature a revolutionary sensor coating and a larger physical sensor size, potentially